This is the power supply board. There are just going to be two clips, one here, one here. It looks like there's about 5 screws holding it into place. We just need to get those clips off and then we can get the screws out. This is going to be similar to the one on the main board. We're going to pinch on both sides to depress those little buttons and then it should just come right out. This is going to be where we get our finger up underneath it, use our thumbnail to release the latch. It comes right out. Now all we got to do is get the screws out and the board should be free. There's usually not adhesive underneath the power supply board, so this should just lift right up. Next board is the main board. We're gonna wanna get these clips removed first. A lot of them are gonna be very similar style. You just wanna get your finger underneath the cords, pinch down on the top to release it, and they should just come right out of there. Same thing with this guy. We're gonna use our thumbnail, pull it right out. This is going to be a little bit different than some of the styles that we've seen. It's got the flap that we need to pop up with our fingernail. And then there are 2 buttons on the side that release latches that will allow this to come free from the main board. This is gonna be 2 buttons on each side that you squeeze in, and you should just be able to walk this right out. So after we get the screws released, that should be the main board free from the unit. We do want to make sure there's not any adhesive or anything underneath, keeping it down, and it does feel like there is. We want to be very gentle when we're lifting up on the board so we don't cause any bending or breaking, and it should pop right up. This is the adhesive that I was talking about.